Hey there team, it's Mark here from Bodyweight Fitness. I'm just about to do a beginner level Tabata workout in a HIIT format, high intensity interval training to get you back into your fitness training if you're just getting started. Beginner level, let's get stuck in. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Star jumps, straight off the bat. Boom. Okay, if you're just back into it, let's go step off. Okay, we got the step off option, but we'll crank it out. Boom! Woo! Check out that scenery, team. Okay, 10 seconds on the rest, 20 on, 10 off. If you want to know how we use the gym boss. Cool. It's us, team. And Bippy. Into it. I'm doing the easier version. The easier version, team. The easiest version. Okay? Easiest version. Stick in here. Let's go. Cool. Nice one. Right, third one, squats. Okay, squats. Nice and deep. If we can, we'll give you the 45 so you can see the depth. Head up, head forward. Easy version. Half squat. Everyone hates on the half squat, but it's a dream. When you're getting back into your training, we'll eventually get you here. Come. We're winning. It's us, team. Set up the plank. Boom. We're in. Key points. Straight line, head to heel. Loving it. Easier version, drop a knee, one knee. Even easier version, 2 knees. Okay. Alright team, a lot of people tell you to go hard, go home. If you're just getting back into it, ease in. We're going to be doing this forever, for life. Okay, let's go. Dial it up. Ramp the pace if we need to. Boom. Feeling good. Okay, you should be feeling good. Let's go. Work with me. Let's go. You got it. It's all hanging out. Should take my shirt in. Woo! Oh, we got it. Key point, breathing, team. Fuel the muscles with oxygen, keep yourself going. So good, it's great to be outdoors, training out in the environment. This is fantastic. Boomtown. How you doing? Okay, why do we love this format? Because you can do anything for 20 seconds. Anything! You can do anything for 20 seconds. You could climb Everest for 20 seconds if you wanted to. Love it. Love it! Woo! Okay, there's a million different types of burpees, team. A million types. Do what works for you at the moment in your body. If you need to do the step off, it's fine. It's all good. Hip extension, hip extension, depth, hip extension, half squat, who cares? Whatevs. As long as you're here, getting it done. Let's go. Woo! Oh my God, there's a dog going crazy. Let's do it. Well done, team. Keep going. Hang in there. That's 3 down, 2 to go. I don't know how you're doing, but hey, just hang in there. Regress to easier versions. Just so you remember, we got this, we got this, we got options. Woo! Let's go. We're on it, we're on it, we're on it. Remember, step, step, if we need it. Here. Never feel bad about doing easier versions. We are going to get you there. Whatever exercise you want to do, we'll get you there. Don't you worry about that. Woo! Let's go. Get in the zone. I just zone, and all I'm hearing is these beeps. Just zone out. Do it. Woo! What should you be thinking, team? You should be thinking, I am effing awesome for being here and getting this done right now. Build yourself up. Get some confidence, okay? Get some confidence going. We're gonna build your mojo. We're gonna turn you into a machine, all right? Step by step. Oh, what are we on? Let's go. Step by step. Whatever your goals are, you're gonna make it. Believe it. We got your back. As long as you're all in, we're all in. Woo, sharp. Yeah. Let's go. Get through this final part, teams. Hang tough, hang tough. Step off if you need to. Yes, getting near the end. We're on it. Oxygen. Breathe. Fuel the body. Get the breathing under control. Yes. You are the shit. Keep going. Drop it in. Last one. Boomtown. We are winning. We are owning it. And we are awesome. for getting our workout done. Don't forget that, team. Don't forget that. Shot, team. That was so epic. You guys nailed it. You really cranked it. We're winning at life. I'm so proud of everybody who, you know, is trying to achieve their goals, especially those who've been through struggle. When I left the military, I put on about 30 kilos. You know, around about 30 kilos, which was, it was all based around not having goals and getting depressed because I didn't have any direction. So, ignore the beeps. I think I pulled up short on that workout, just listening to that beep. Apologies to that team. I genuinely thought that I had done 5 rounds, okay, honest. So, you get the point. It's there. I must have pulled up short 30 seconds or something. I missed something. Lesson for me, bring my whiteboard next time. But hey, we're winning. Keep it going. You are the shit. Don't forget that.